Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure the basics are actually ready. Update what's app and grant camera and microphone access so the app can use full quality streams. Once done, connect to stable Wi-Fi, prefer 5 GHz or a strong 4 GHz signal, and turn off mobile hotspot or tethering that eats bandwidth. Make sure background apps and heavy syncs are closed so CPU and network focus on the call. And keep the phone charged to avoid thermal throttling, which can reduce video quality. Now you refine how the video is captured and transmitted. Pick the camera that gives the cleanest frame and steady the phone. Use a tripod or prop it up. Then lock focus and exposure if your phone supports it to stop the image from hunting. Use a wired headset or a low-latency Bluetooth device for clearer audio, which reduces perceived video problems, and optimize your local network. Move closer to the router, pause streaming on other devices, or use Ethernet for the call host to lower congestion and jitter. Finish by doing a quick test call and make real-time adjustments to lighting, angle, and microphone placement so participants see and hear you clearly. If you notice freezing or pixelation, check for packet loss and try switching networks. Move from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa, or restart your router to regain a cleaner path. And if problems persist, restart your phone, clear WhatsApp cache, or reinstall the app. That single troubleshooting tip often resolves corrupted settings or stuck media handlers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.